Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Andantino on the viola, playthrough edition, slow and fast. Now, Andantino is a variant of Andante, right? So Andante is sort of a walking, casual speed. So we're on the slow side of medium, but definitely not super slow, okay? So, let's find a tempo for our slow one. So, dun, 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 1, 2... Alright, we're going to be doing our fast speed one now. So, dun 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 dun, a little bit more of a gallop, so almost like we're skipping. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, how'd you do? Hopefully fantastically. We are moving on to bigger and better things for the next song. So, I will see you there. Bye.